road goes in two ways. The right one is going to the red wall, and the straight one is actually going to the Jebel Yanas. I'm around like 4.5 kilometers away from the spot where I need to start the hike, and the road is still okay for a sedan car. As you can see, a sedan is actually in front of us. Look at the shades of the mountain, the colors. Amazingly, it is turning towards red, but in the afternoon I'm thinking what will be the color. The color will become much more reddish, and it will be amazing. Now Google Map is saying after 500 meters the road is over, but let's see.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Yes, I can see there are many sedan cars here.
You have arrived.
So Google is done. Today actually I am doing this red wall parking hike, which is in Wadi Naqab and in Jebel Yanas. So basically the area is called Wadi Naqab as well as Jebel Yanas. Jebel means mountain. So the mountain here, the mountain range is the Mount Yanas, and Wadi is nothing other than dry riverbed running in between the mountains. Regarding the reaching to the point, it is really very confusing thing, because at the very last end I can see there are a few vehicles, actually few sedan cars reached up to the off-road starting point. So people who are wondering how these big rocks actually came in the middle of this riverbed, this is basically coming down from those mountains. When the flash flood happens, the power of that water current is so strong that it brings down all the big boulders with it. There is some kind of structure here. Not sure what is the purpose of this structure. And there is cave as well. You see over there. So if you want to bypass the boulders, mostly I can see you need to walk on the right hand side of the trail. Actually, it looks like it's possible to walk in both ways, this way and through the wadi. I'm thinking which one to take. Let me take the upper one. Why I decided not to go in that one, because after a specific portion I am unable to see what is next. So if I have to come back the whole way, there is no point. I'll be losing my time. Okay, so this is actually finishing here. Very small part of it. So initially I thought I will go in that way, but when I moved a little bit I found it is big boulders are blocking the road completely, so I came now to the right side, and let's see if this is the better option. Also you can see the red almost faded, and this is basically the sign. You can see a red arrow on this big boulder. So I can hear some sound. Some more hikers are coming, it looks like, because there is echo. So this is the graffiti you need to follow basically, which is said, I believe, road, most probably. And it was actually a little bit tricky to find out the option. Red graffiti, Arabic word there, and from there actually I went a little further and then I stopped because there is no where to go, it is completely blocked. So then I found a group of guys are coming through this way. So this is the trick. People who are coming here, please do this. The moment you see this Arabic word written, the graffiti, then follow this trail towards up. Okay. Throughout the way there was almost no elevation gain, and now just to cross that red wall and going a little further you have to go up, and here is some elevation gain which will be a little tiring.